guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mills, and today I wanted to do a little haul video for you guys. As some of you know, yesterday was our baby shower. By the time you see this, it wasn't yesterday, but we had our baby shower this weekend. It was so much fun. It was really great to have our friends and family there. It was pretty chill, which I like. It's like pretty my style. I know that you guys are always like, don't apologize, but I really do need to apologize for what I look like right now. I looked bomb yesterday, not gonna lie. I'll give myself that. I actually did my hair and makeup, but I know I look exhausted right now. My friend was like, it's the first time you've looked really tired this pregnancy. Like, I just have not been sleeping, so I'm sorry, but it's okay. I'm still happy. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys like some of the baby stuff that we got. People really gave us so many great things from our registry, and it was so nice, and I feel so blessed that our friends and family provided so many things. I did not expect it, so it's really been a huge blessing. If you like my content, I do videos about the Dominican Republic, also throwing in some baby related videos on this new kind of motherhood journey. Please hit subscribe and comment below. But before I get started, you're probably wondering why I'm standing next to my ring light instead of in front of it. This ring light is from iTech Life, and it's amazing. I had another ring light that from another company. It was terrible. It broke right away. But this one has been so awesome. It can go even higher. It can go lower. It folds up. It came with a bag. It comes with the warm lights, the orange lights too. Holds your phone here either vertically or horizontally, or your camera. They gave me a code for 63% off, which is insane. So you guys can get this for $59. It's super high quality and it's very large. So I am posting the coupon code in my description. It will be at the top. You'll be able to use that. I'll put the link as well. It only lasts for a couple weeks, so make sure if you're interested or if you know someone who's been looking for a ring light, this is an awesome deal. So thank you to them. How cute is this? Fresh out of the oven, homemade. Kindness makes us strong. This is like, thank you, Ruth. This is such a book that I would love. And then some of the essentials. I heard this is amazing. You moms or dads can let me know. Then Oogie Boogie, the nail clipper. I'm really excited about this. I don't know actually who got this, so. Alyssa? Nardelli? Aw, thanks. Wait, where does it say it?
In the receipt, but I don't know what that
Where's
is.
the receipt? This is from Lillebaby. It's a wrap to like wear the baby. And since it's not like by size, Chris could use it too. Aw, we're so excited to meet your baby. You're gonna be the greatest parent. Aw. So I got the, like, I think this is flax maybe, but I was super excited to try one of these wraps, so nice of her. This is a crib mattress protector. You're going to submit your baby's headshots to Gerber, right? Love you. I'll let you know less, depending, you know, which one of us the baby looks like. I'm so excited about. I thought this would come in the big box. It's so funny. This is I don't know how to say it. Lillebaby carrier, and Chris and I can both use it. It's more of a hard shell. Looks super cute. I can't wait to see. Hopefully our baby likes to be like carried, because I think those look really easy. Like, you can still walk around with the baby and stuff. Felicidades por esta nueva etapa en sus vidas, que estará llena de amor y felicidad. That's cute. A snuggle blanket. from Lorraine from Tanzania. Wow.
Smell good.
Do they smell good? I heard that they smell bad, the Pampers ones. I hope not. Let me smell them. Size 2, that's perfect because we have a lot of size 1s. Who sent it?
It didn't say.
Oh no.
The fact that 186 diapers in a 1 month supply feels like it should be a mathematical error. ALAS is an honor to cover baby without those diapers needs. For even more 30 days, love you from Alessia.
I love her. She's so funny. I know, honestly, how is 186 diapers just for 1 month? That seems fake. But I know you guys who are parents in the comments are going to tell me, nope, that's real. That's what it is. I opened these already, but I'll show you guys. This is from my friend Megan. These are so cute. Some Nike onesies. I love it. Little peanut. I love that people know that like elephants are a thing I love. I love elephants. Nike socks. And then this girl, literally, I was like, someone get her because she got us so many different shoes. These are little Jordans. More little Jordans. Nikes. Like, these are so cute. Look at these little pants. I love it. This one, a lot. She got us so many things. Wait, I can't think of 2 more deserving people to receive life's biggest blessing. You both will be phenomenal parents. I love you both so much. I cannot wait for our little penis to grow up together. I'll cry. That's adorable. Mm-hmm. Emma, my friend, has been going crazy getting us stuff, and I was like, girl, you need to stop. We're gonna make you go into debt. But she has gotten us so many cute ones. Oh yeah, that one was heavy.
What is this?
Oh, are those wipes?
Wipes.
Nice. We need those.
624 wipes.
Watch, it's like 1 week supply.
This is
Huh? Does it say how long that lasts? I think it's probably, I mean, it's 3 months? What does it say?
It's like 3 refills.
3 refills. What does that mean? Oh, it's like, I know, it's like different packs. Okay. Can't resist. I obviously needed to be the one to get you the spyware for the baby. So love you forever and always, Brenna. I knew it. This is the, also I love this bag. I'm saving this. This is the video monitor. So we can put the baby.
You do it through the app, through the cell phone?
No, it's like separate. You set this up on the, I think, you set it up in the baby's room. And then when we're out here, we have like the monitor with us. This was like when.
But can you connect it to the phone?
I don't know. This is one of the best.
Look, it's the reading on the phone.
Wireless digital video monitoring. No, I don't think it does. I want to say I got some gifts from someone I went to high school with, and we literally haven't spoken in like 10 years. But I always remember how kind he was, and I just think that's so nice to like see someone's registry that you haven't talked to in a long time and like get a present. I don't know, that almost made me cry. Like that, actually a couple of people from high school that I haven't spoken to in a long time did that, and it was just so nice of them. So if you're watching, thank you. This is the milk storage bags. So if I pump, the milk will go in here, and then Chris can use that to feed the baby. Okay, I won't make you guys watch any more of our unboxing. I like recorded the whole thing, thinking someone would sit there and watch all of it. We got so many great things. We're both super grateful. We have a ton of stuff. I got our car seat installed in the car. Now I need to focus on getting our hospital bags packed. So if you have recommendations on what should go in the hospital bags for Chris and myself, please comment below. As always, thank you for watching. I have another DR video coming next. So those of you who like that content, don't worry, that is coming. And if you can hit subscribe and turn on your notifications, that would be great. Have an amazing week, and I will see you guys soon.